Parking up on the middle of the road.
Oh my God.
I'm on Wellsmere Road in Rosendale, but this is the street behind me. Alright, thank you. Alright, bye.
Holy shit.
Why? Attention.
Dude, that's fucking scary.
That is so
Oh
creepy.
my God.
That's
Yo, that is fucking insane.
I heard it spot.
Oh my God, it's getting worse.
I know, that's so bad.
Oh my God. Holy shit.
That is
Someone's house is fucking...
the car. The car that's next to it. No, the car's gonna blow up. Look at the gas spike on the bottom.
Yo, these motherfuckers better hurry the fuck up.
They better hurry up. I am freaking out. The car's on fire! The car's on fire! I swear to God, the car's on fire! On the left. Yeah, look from this angle. Under the car's on fire. I'm scared. I told you the car blew up! The car just blew up. I swear to God, I just told you. I just told you the car blew up.
At least
El carro se explotó. Dude, the car blew up. The car just blew up on the left.
Get the fuck.
Yeah, the car blew up on the left.
Oh, you're fucking videotaping me.
Yeah.
Do it.
Oh my God.
The car on the left, the neat. No, the car blew up.
Oh my God.
Because that thing is going.
Car blew up?
Yeah, on the left. And look at the car burning on the left.
Oh my God.
The car's burning on fire. Look at it.
That house is
The
going.
whole.
Alright, have you guys even called 911?
Yeah, we already called 911. The car on the left, the Nissan's on fire. Look at it, it's on fire. The whole car is burning.
Oh my God.
Dude, the car's bumper is
Oh my
burning. Do you see the bumper of the car? It's burning on the left. The whole car's on fire.
So you guys are gonna videotape this? Apocalypse.
Oh shit, look at the car! The whole
Oh
car!
my God.
Did you guys
Oh shit, we called 911 and then the car's
that
on
shit's
fire,
insane.
dude. The car on the left is on fire. Oh, the other car's gonna burn.
Yeah!
I'm scared.
Why?
Oh shit, the whole car's on fire!
No, dude, that house is gonna burn. Where the fuck are these motherfuckers?
Yeah, we're the fucking
Oh
firefighter.
my God.
Seriously, where's the fire? Like, the house is gonna be fucking burn. Oh! Because the wire flew from...
Yo, the fucking car is fully on fucking fire.
The tire already burned through. You can see the tire.
Oh my God. It's the worst.
Look, I keep seeing someone come out of the back porch, but they don't...
Wait, it's your car!
Wait, that's my new car!
Yo, this shit's gonna fucking blow big time.
Dude, the car already blew up, like it jumped.
No, it's getting
I'd be
burned.
pissed if I was the owner and I'm like, yo.
Oh! Oh shit, the whole car just
My
fucking
God. Now the other cars are gonna fucking...
blew up.
Only in Rosendale.
Oh my God.
Oh no.
Oh, now the car alarm goes on?
Oh my God.
They better have insurance on that. It's insane.
Oh, it sucks.
Oh, you can hear like... Look at the bumper. I hope it's over.
I hear them.
That's the...
I hear them.
Oh, now they're coming? They took way too long. They took way too long.
So the wire's not gonna blow up again. Is it?
Well, look at it, it's still burning. But the thing is, the whole car is fucking in the... No, it could come again. Dude, they take that long.
Motherfuckers.
Damn, that was crazy. Oh, see, look at everyone on the other side like, damn, now you're gonna come.
I know.
Look at the guy across the street. He's like, whoa. Oh, they get a better view too of the car on the other side. Come on, dude. How long does it fucking take you to... Someone could have gotten really hurt, actually. They took way too long. We were so right. We were like, the car. The car. So sorry. She's gonna have a party later. I don't know why we took so long. We have... Dude, that was freaking me out.
There they are. I see the lights.
Yeah, but that took forever.
Why are they all the way down there?
I said behind Wellsmere Road. I didn't say Wellsmere Road. Yeah, we can smell it. That's bad. That car is done. Look at the bumper and the wheel. It's fried. Like the bottom is fried. Oh, wow.
Oh, my.
The cabs are here. That's crazy. They took forever. I gotta watch this. I've never watched this in action. I've never watched firefighters at the job. And they come. Like 18 minutes later. The fire's still on. The car's still burning on fire. Yeah, that thing could spark. This is a action. This is creepy how they're creeping up. Like they're like. This is no joke. Yeah, because there's gasoline in the car. I gotta see this. I've never seen the hose bin work.
It's sparking.
Yeah, everything's sparking. The firefighter's like, can you go back inside your house? Oh, Nissan. That car's done. I wonder what they're gonna do about the wire. It's still sparking, and it still has a... That's boring. Dude, that's creepy. What are they gonna do? What do they do with that? Look at that. Who's the guy who he's talking about? That's creepy.
Tell them to go inside.
Yeah, I did tell him to go inside. I wanna know what's gonna happen. Oh, the lights are gone. Power's gone. Obviously. No surprise. Power's out.
Come on, dude. Hurry the fuck up.
sound. Oh, what should we call it? I set fire to the rain. Let it burn. I don't want your face.
Yo, that guy's wearing fucking shorts.
Oh, that's weird. No. Oh, it's still on. They're so small. Look.
I know.
Oh, no, they're breaking something. Maybe we can see it. Maybe the fire's inside the leather, like inside the seat.